Welcome back. So these are some of the tools I use for post-processing my prints. This is a really handy deburring tool for deburring the edges of holes. So something like that. You can very easily get all of the burr out of that type of hole. So that's an indispensable tool, very easy to use. Then I've got this other one, which I also really love. Actually, this is probably the best tool for this job, is getting rid of the kind of burrs on the inside of objects, and then also being able to kind of deburr the edges of your prints. I would say this one is indispensable, and it's super cheap, and I've never had to change this blade, even though it came with like a dozen blades. I've never had to change it. This set of files that I use for different types of surface profiles. This one I don't use that often because the deburring tool actually helps quite a bit, but sometimes if you're trying to get like a really nice surface for your very final finish, this is a really good set to go along with just some good old-fashioned sandpaper. Of course, what you want is a small set of kind of wire snips. These are handy for cleaning up your prints and also for cutting filament. This one is also super handy. I use this for pulling off supports that are in kind of tight areas. It's just a pair of narrow nose pliers. This is a pair of kind of, they're essentially scissors, but they can help me get into kind of tinier spots where I have got maybe a small piece of filament I got to cut. And then obviously for bigger cuts, I've got this Fisker utility knife for making cuts and deburring edges that the other deburr tool is too small to get into. So these are all the tools I use for post-processing.